Join us on a journey inside Design to Product Limited, where the time-honored tradition of manual machining meets the unparalleled precision of modern CNC technology. Traditional machining is a craft that requires years of experience. It's hands-on, with machinists using tools and machines manually to shape materials. Contrastingly, CNC machining uses computer technology for precise control, enabling the production of parts with complex shapes and high levels of accuracy. While manual machining allows for a personalized touch in adjusting the process, CNC machining excels in replicating complex designs with exact precision, rapidly and consistently. At Design to Product Limited, the choice between these techniques is not about superiority, but suitability. For custom, one-off projects, the flexibility of traditional machining shines. For complex, repetitive tasks, CNC precision is unmatched. We harness both the art of traditional machining and the science of CNC technology, ensuring the highest quality and innovation in every product we craft. If you have inquiries and questions regarding CNC machining and traditional machining, you can schedule a meeting with our founder through the Calendly link listed on this video.